Hi, Tim from Whyboats here, and today we're going to have a look around this Bavaria 39 from 1994. She's a free cabin, two-head layout, with in-mast furling and a furling genoa, so a perfect yacht for cruising. We're going to have a look around the exterior and then down below, so hop aboard. Starting at the bow, we've got a furling genoa, the anchor to chain and warp on an electric windlass in the anchor locker, and then we've got a synthetic teak decking throughout this boat, leaving a lovely finish and plenty of space up forward. Walking down the starboard side, we've got nice wide side decks in this boat, comfortable again for cruising. The shrouds are set inboard, making it easy to come up and down the boat. We have in-mast furling, solid Selden rod kicker, and a spinnaker pole on a track for a better control of the symmetric kite. Moving back on the boat, we have main sheet in the centre on a purchase system, keeping the cockpit nice and free, and we've got a very nice size spray hood as well with good condition windows for visibility. Stepping into the cockpit, we've got a nice high coaming with the winches on. The cockpit itself is fairly well enclosed, giving you good protection as you step down into it. We have a central wheel with the binnacle with a compass, chart plotter, autopilot, speed, wind and depth. It's a nice handle on this binnacle, and then a table with the throttle controls as well. We have Lumar winches fitted out, 48s here, and then the smaller halyard winches on the coach roof. Stepping down below, we have a lovely free cabin two-head layout. We have a U-shaped galley to port with twin stainless steel sinks and chopping boards, great big top opening fridge, twin gas hob with an oven, and plenty of stowage around as well. There's loads of opening hatches on this boat, so for good ventilation as well. Let's take a look further forward. Here in the saloon, we've got C-shaped seating to port, linear settee to starboard with a central folding leaf wood table. Plenty of stowage behind the berths and under, with nice cupboards and a sideboard each side as well. Moving to the forward cabin, we have a large V-shaped berth with a small settee to starboard and a hanging locker. This forward cabin is the owner's cabin with its own ensuite as well, to the port side. Plenty of light with the main opening hatch and a nice airy feel. At the nav station set to starboard, we have a forward-facing chart table, plenty of stowage for charts with your nav aids and electrical controls. This boat's also got Webasto hot air heating, making it very comfortable for colder climates. Looking to the after boat, we have even port and starboard side cabins. We've got lovely, nice wide berths with a small settee and then a hanging locker as well. From here, we've also got very good engine access from each side and the front. The main head is to starboard, right in the centre of the boat. We've got a manual Jabsco sea toilet and a single sink with a hot and cold pull-out tap to shower. It's nice and airy in here with some stowage and a mirror with ventilation from the hatch as well. Here we have a Volvo Penta MD 2040B 4-cylinder diesel inboard. She's on a sail drive, giving good control and manoeuvrability.